The Clarke MD1500 Professional Metal Detector is an easy-to-use metal detector for detecting and measuring both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. With 4 operational modes, the control unit offers 8 adjustment controls. In all metal mode, the MD1500 will detect every type of metal and is the best mode used when the material you are searching for is unknown. Discrimination mode rejects some types of metal, such as iron, depending on the setting of the discrimination dial. At setting 0, the detector will find almost all metal. As you increase the setting, more objects are rejected. The tone mode helps to discriminate between different types of metal with high or low pitch tones. Other controls include volume, ground balance, trace, and sensitivity. Running off 8 AA batteries, the MD1500 includes a low battery indication LED. As you would expect, the 220mm diameter search coil is fully waterproof and will detect metals up to a depth of 200mm. If you wish to use your own headphones, plugging them into the supplied socket disconnects the internal speaker. Weighing only 2.1 kilograms, the MD1500 also incorporates an adjustable armrest for reduced fatigue. Operating at a frequency of 6 to 7 kHz, the easy-to-use MD1500 Professional Metal Detector will give you many years of reliable detecting.